गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कवित्तजम्बुफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्.
Welcome to all. Our SSM Social Welfare Trust was registered in the year 2009 under the Indian Trust Act. SSM Social Welfare Trust is founded by Mr. S. Mahalingam, who is the president of the trust. Our trust is a secular, democratic and non-profit motive organization. Mr. S. Mahalingam, who is the founder of SSM Trust, who is retired Assistant Commissioner from Central Excise and Customs Department, and after his retirement, he is spending more time to support the rural people, old age people, deprived poor child and orphans with his own earnings. Not only that, the founder, Mr. S. Mahalingam, has been involving in promotion of education among rural poor, health and environmental development, and renovation cum maintenance of temples. He is committed himself for the above task. The objectives of the trust are to render service in the field of education, public health and medical relief to the deserving poor and needy people free of cost or at concessional rates, irrespective of caste, creed, color or religion, and the promotion of peace and human understanding. To institute and grant scholarships, stipend and render financial aids to students, scholars, poets, teachers and professors or persons of eminence in educational field. To implement health and hygienic schemes of government and charity organizations for the welfare of rural women and children. To plant trees for upgradation of social forestry and conservation of ecological system. To undertake and assist developmental activities such as water provisions, drainage and sanitation for rural people. To start to undertake renovation unmaintained temple at various places for maintenance of Tirupani purposes. The trust is engaged in various activities in the area of education with the participation and contribution of its valuable members and state coordinators. The trust is giving tailoring training to the ladies for the last 5 years. So far, 312 women were trained. All the rural areas women are taking training in the trust campus. We are operating a free book bank and library through our trust in the trust premises. We are distributing plant saplings to the interested people free of cost with a request to grow the plant as tree and help the environmental cleanliness. So far, 28,000 saplings were distributed. Talking about the EMG initiative, it's an initiative of SSM Trust started by Rotarian Dr. M. Ganesh Babu as a Google group which has around 50,000 plus members across India and more than 10 countries. Of late, the Google groups is turned as Elite Members Group and around 2,000 plus registered members are there and state coordinators from many states. The group is delivering variety of services in all spheres of education. EMG services. The EMG group has conducted 3 national FDP in research by the year 2020 online with 403 participants in total for all the 3 programs. International Journal of Exclusive Global Research, a multidisciplinary journal, is in the 6th year of progress. Global Academic Awards for recognizing the talents in the field of education and research is being done by the EMG group of SSM Trust. An appeal to elite members of SSM Trust request you to take part in all the activities of the Trust and to propose, suggest ideas, lead and take it forward for the well-being of individuals and society on the whole. Our sincere thanks to Mr. S. Mahalingam, President SSM Trust, Rotarian Dr. M. Ganesh Babu, Secretary EMG SSM Trust, Rotarian M. Sundarambal, Treasurer SSM Trust, Dr. Manju Bhargavi BR, Convener Academic Awards, Mrs. Bhuwana R, Coordinator Academic Awards and all office bearers of the Trust. Thank you.
My dear friends, my heartful greetings to all of you. It is really a great pleasure to me to see you in this happiest function. It is needless to say that this function is a welcomeable one, since this is not a conventional type. This is an effort to honor the eminence worked for the promotion of education standard in various forms of learning society. Therefore, this trust has undertaken the golden opportunity to reward the deserving personalities in good manner and in right time to felicitate their commendable contribution. No doubt, award is the best recognition to the person who actually took more involvement for uplifting the field of education. Further, encouragement is a tonic to the individual to do better achievement in their respective field. Therefore, we believe that Global Academic Excellence Award given by our SSM Trust will be the best recognition to the academician who received the award for the best performance in the field of education. In fine, my hearty congratulations to award recipients and blessing for a long life.